Okay, very good. So our topic for today is all about. Okay, can you read?
Changes materials with mixed with other materials. Heterogeneous mixture.
Okay, read. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
I'm ready. Okay, just wait, class. Okay, can you stand up, Debbie? Okay, what is that one about? Okay, ding dong. Okay, can you consider that? Okay, nakita na ba yung ingredients ng ding dong?
Yes, teacher.
Money?
Yes, teacher.
Do you consider this as an example of mixture or not?
Yes.
Okay, kindly listen to me. Debbie, ano mo consider man as an example of mixture? Another group ring. Can you read?
Mix the given materials and observe what will happen after mixing it. Answer.
Okay, so now, okay, can you listen? Okay, so for group 1, what's the present? Okay, can you present your word group 1? Stand up. Okay, what's the present? Okay, read and read.
I'm going to read the questions.
Yes.
Spiritual teacher. Okay, so how many materials can be found in the mixture?
Okay, ang sa lagi, kung ano yung picture ganyan. Asa ang picture 1?
The picture is already full. So here is the picture for you to understand better. And the question is how many materials can be found in the mixture? And our answer is there are two materials which are sand and stone. So it's really visible.
Okay, pebbles ba isa? Pebbles ba? So sa tawagan nila ay? Okay, stay called wires. Can we proceed?
So the next question is, can you still recognize the different materials mixed? So the answer is yes. We can still recognize the three materials in the mixture. And the last question is, describe what changes happen to the three solid materials after mixing it. The answer is, there's no changes happen to the three solid materials in the mixture, and their appearances remain the same.
Divide them together, it is because they have the same appearances. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now class, do you have any questions about the topic that we have discussed today?
No, teacher.
Do you have any question? Okay, so if not, so let's have another activity. Are you ready again? Okay, because distress. Now class, these are now the example of Okay, so sabi ng pinaka-first picture.
Pizza.